Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I just want to take a look at the Liberty Air 2 from Soundcore. So these are some Bluetooth headphones and they are pretty cool looking, I must say. So these are in black. They also come in white. So these run $99. However, you can get these on sale sometimes, and I did even see them on Amazon renewed for $79.99. So just depends on how you want to do it, but you never know, you may find these on sale. So just looking around the box here, so on the front we have premium call quality via 4 mics with noise reduction, total wireless headphones. It does say on here about the information I just told you there. So charge for 10 minutes and listen for 2 hours, 7-hour playtime on a single charge, and wireless charging compatible. Diamond coated drivers, Qualcomm aptX. And on the side here, diamond coated drivers for high precision audio. So on the back here, it does say premium audio clarity via diamond coated drivers, 4 mics with uplink for noise cancellation, Hear ID personalized sound, charge for 10 minutes, listen for 2 hours, compatible with wireless charging, 7-hour playtime, 28 hours with the case, and IPX5 certified, so fully sweat proof. Pretty cool there. Bluetooth. And what we get in the box here, the Liberty Air 2, the charging case. We get extra small, medium, and extra large ear tips, as well as a USB-C cable. For the app, you just search up Soundcore in the Google Play Store or in the App Store. And on the side here, we have incredible sound loved by 10 million plus people, and a picture of Guy wearing the headphones. So when we open the inside, we get a little preview of everything, how everything looks here. It gives you some more information about the Hear ID. And let's go ahead and get this out of the box here if we can. So we have a little tab to pull. Pull a little tab. We can pop this open. And then we have our headphones here, as well as our charging case. And it gives you a little getting started guide right here. To turn Bluetooth on, connect to Soundcore Liberty Air 2, and then pair. And I'll show you that process in a moment here. And then we have our earbuds here. Let's see, can I get them out of here? All right, so there we go. So just to give you an idea of how they look. All right, just trying to get it to focus here. So as you can see, we have the Soundcore logo right here on the side. Really nice black color. Red at the bottom here. You can see the little 2 charging pogo pins right there, as well as a microphone. Here's your side view here. So we have this nice red tip there. Kind of glossy at the top right there. You can see another little sensor right here. Give you an idea of how that looks. And here's our other headphone here. So as I said, Soundcore emblem right there. And there's your thickness right there. And we have the ear tip with a red tip. And then here's our little pogo pins right here for charging. We open this up. We get our USB-C to USB-A. So that is for your charging. And that's for your charging case here at the bottom right there. Yeah, let's see. So our quick setup guide. In the pairing process, some devices are incompatible with Qualcomm True Wireless primary, secondary, dual pairing names. It may notice connection unsuccessful when you tap pair, or even no screen popped up. Don't worry, this will not influence the using. Once successfully paired, the primary earbud connects with your device and transfers signal to the secondary earbud. The latter one will not connect with your device. As a result, in the Bluetooth pairing list, your device may indicate that only one side is connected while the other is not. Okay, so in addition to our charging cord, we also have all of our tips. So I'm not sure which ones are on it right now. I believe these are probably, they appear to be the large tip, but you have an extra of that. So you have extra small, small, large, and extra large. Okay, so out of the box, we get the charging case as I showed there, as well as our earbuds. And just to give you a little tour around the charging case, we have our charge indicator here, showing how much battery is left on the case here. We have a little notch to open it up here, and that's how thick it is here. And there we go, there's a little hinge. On the top we have the Soundcore branding. On the bottom here we do have our pair button, as well as that USB-C. Opening it up, we have this glossy interior here, and you can just pop them in here. Let's see if I can pop them in the right place. I'm assuming that's how that goes. And that's with them in there. Pop it closed there, and now it indicated it's got them in there and they can charge. So hopefully you can see that. That glossy black is kind of hard to see, but there you go. And that's how that looks there. Pretty nice little charging case. And again, you can wirelessly charge this. Pretty nice. Now let's check out the pairing. Here. Okay, so I'm on my iPhone here and in the main settings menu, and we're gonna go to Bluetooth and go ahead and pair it. So what it says is to hold down the pairing button here for 3 seconds. So we'll do that. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. So I just had to pop the top open. That seemed to work there. So just go ahead and tap. Okay, and it appears they are connected, and we did have a little volume indicator that they are now connected. And there you go. So now you can see the top of them are blinking, so they are now connected. So now you can go ahead and take them out and pop them in your ears and go ahead and listen. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and go into the App Store here and download the Soundcore app, and this will let us adjust and customize things the way that we want them. Okay, so just downloaded the app here. When it came up, it asked to access my Bluetooth and then send notifications. So just to give you an idea of what it's gonna ask you. Then we have our privacy policy here, and our terms of use. Just hit agree and continue. We have to go ahead and either make an account or you can skip that. So I'll just skip that for right now. And here we have we have Soundcore, we have speakers and headphones, and you can see some of the products that they have here. And we'll go ahead and go to our headphones list here, and we have Liberty Series, that's the one we have. And then this is a couple of different headphones they have here. So they have Liberty 2 Pro, Liberty Air 2, and Liberty 2. We have the Liberty Air 2. We're gonna go ahead and connect those. It's gonna go ahead and search for them. And then it found them, and here we actually have an update firmware here. So what this says, it says fix bugs. You can hit more, and this should give you some more information here. So it says version 4.26, size 1.17 megabytes, optimized call experience, and then downloads. We'll go ahead and install that real quick. And that was very quick. It says do not disconnect or play music while doing an install. Do not put them in the case. Keep earbuds within 0.5 meters of your phone. And then we have an install button here. And don't worry, they're right there, out of their case. All right, so that update took about 6 minutes, and it now says that the device is restarting, and it may take a while, so please wait. And there we are back. All right, so I do have them in my ears here. I just wanted to give you a quick idea of how they look. So you do have those different tips, so if it doesn't fit you, definitely try the other ones. It should basically envelope your ear and make it so that you can't really hear out of them because you have noise reduction on these. So yeah, when they're on, you'll definitely have trouble hearing outside, but they should make a really good listening experience. So here they are in my ears here. They look a lot like AirPods, but just to give you an idea of how they look here. So looks really nice. Here's the other side there. And yeah, so they look pretty good. So I'm definitely gonna try these out and try out these different equalizers, and hopefully I'll be able to give you a good review on these once I get done listening to them for a couple of days. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick look at the Liberty Air 2 by Soundcore. Again, these are $99. They come in black and white. You can buy them from a couple different retailers. And yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.